Hi everybody, welcome back to the third session in motion. Now we are going to discuss about nothing but a distance. What is a distance? Actually, how is this distance related to the motion? Let's see one example here. For example, right now I am standing here. I am not changing my position with respect to time. So I am at rest. So once if I comes into the motion, now I am coming into the motion. So once I comes into the motion, so what happened here? What is the difference between my initial position to right now? There is some change. So what is that change? That change is called as nothing but a distance. What is a distance? Actually, so how does the distance is related to the motion? Motion, if an object comes into motion, it will cover some distance. What is the distance? We can say that the actual path covered by a body. The actual path covered by a body is called as nothing but a distance. So actually, let's see one example. We can identify that. There is a person who is standing at one of the corner of a room. So he wants to meet. His name is Mr. A, and he wants to meet. There is another person who is standing at another corner of the room. So he is Mr. B. A wants to meet Mr. B. He can choose three paths: path 1, path 2, and path 3. If he moves in path 1 also, it is a distance covered by the body. If he moves in path 2 also, it is distance covered by the body. Even if he moves in path 3 also, it is a distance covered by the body. Even if you come to know that, actually, for example, this is the position of the A and this is the position of the B. If he follows this path, still also he can meet Mr. B. What is this meaning is nothing but a, so the distance is nothing but a scalar quantity. What is the distance means? Distance is a scalar quantity. So what is this meaning? So distance does not have nothing but a particular direction. It has only nothing but a magnitude. Magnitude means the length. For example, there is a length between from A to B. This path length might be nothing but a 10 centimeters. Maybe this path length might be nothing but a 4 centimeters. This is 3 centimeters. Total how much means 7 centimeters distance. This path might be nothing but a 5 centimeters. So what do I want to say is nothing but a, there is no particular direction for the distance. It can move in any direction. Because of that reason only, it is called as nothing but a scalar quantity. Let's see about another board. So once you observe the picture, so if he moves in path 1 or path 2 or path 3, in which path he can reach from A to B very fastly? So path 3. What is the reason behind this one? Because this is the straight line. It is a shortest route. So that shortest distance is called as nothing but a displacement. What is that one? Displacement. What is the displacement? The shortest distance. The shortest distance from the initial position. From the initial position to the final position is called as nothing but a displacement. Let's see the same example here. For example, A to B, we said that this is distance. So we want to identify the displacement means this is the initial position, this is the final position. You have to draw a straight line. So this is called as nothing but a displacement. So what do we identify that? Displacement is having a particular direction. Distance is not having the particular direction. So that is the reason why displacement is called as nothing but a vector quantity. Displacement is a vector quantity. Which one? Vector quantity. Distance is a scalar quantity. Displacement is a vector quantity. What is a scalar? The one which is having only magnitude, means only length. So no direction, it is called as nothing but a scalar. The one which is having both magnitude and direction is called as nothing but a vector. So which is a scalar here? Distance is a scalar. Because it does not have a direction, it has only magnitude. Displacement is a vector because it has only nothing but it has magnitude as well as nothing but a direction. Basing on this point. So how does we define the difference between these two things can also be discussed in the next session.